Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the fourth poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. Okay. Thomas Streams Eliot. He was born in 1888 and he passed away on 1965. He was an essayist, criticist, playwright and the pioneer poet of 20th century. He attended the Smith Academy in St. Louis and then the Milton Academy in Morristown. He graduated from the Harvard University and left from the France and the Sorbonne to study philosophy. Eliot returned to the Harvard and deepened his knowledge by reading the Indian philosophy and studying Sanskrit. He knows Sanskrit also. He also finished his advanced degree at Harvard. Some of his popular poem includes The Wasteland, the love song of Alfred Prufrock, The Ash Wednesday, Four-Quartered Journey of the Magi, After Strange God, Naming of the Cat. T.S. Eliot won the Order of the Merit and received the Nobel Prize of the Literature in the year of 1948. At the year of 1948, he was awarded a Nobel Prize for Literature. Okay, he was awarded the Nobel Prize. Even Sanskrit. Okay. So, he had written so many popular poems that are The Wasteland, the love song of Albert Prufrock, The Ash Wednesday, Four-Quartered Journey of the Magi, After Strange God, Naming of the Cat, and so many poems he had written. This is the extract which is taken from the Naming of the Cat. Let us see the poem. Okay. So, here is an poem. Here is a poem that is about the mystery of a mystery. Mystery means unknown fact. Okay, the mystery cat, the strange cat. Okay, so many things that is not known by we are not able to know about the cat. Mystery, nariya marumangal niraindha oru cat. Let us see. There is always an air of the mystery in the cat. They appear to see something which we don't. We are thinking that cat won't do like that, but it won't be like that. The Macavity won such a elusive, a gale and the Prompton-like cat. Read the humorous lyric, the poem and find out what happened when we strikes. So, here is a poem. It's given about the cat and we will see one of the mysterious cat and how it's behaving. Let us see. Macavity, a mystery cat we called the hidden paw. The Macavity is a mystery cat. There is an unknown fact is more. So many unknown facts are there beyond the cat and we call this cat as a hidden paw. Okay. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. So, this is a cat, it is a master criminal who defy means disobey. Defy means disobey. Disobey. Never obey the law. Okay. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity not there. He is a bafflement. Bafflement means he is a confusion for the Scotland Yard, the police of the Scotland. It is a confusion for them and the flying squad despair. For them, it is a very great challenge for them. When they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity is not there. When they reach where the incident happened, they reach there, the place, the Macavity will not be there. So, what type of the cat it is? A mystery cat. We call that a hidden paw. Okay, the Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of the Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, Macavity is not there. When they reach the place of the crime occurred, Macavity will not be there. Okay, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He break the law of the gravity. His power of the levations would make the fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of the crime, McCavity not there. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. No one is compared to McCavity, because this McCavity is different from every cat. Okay, he broke every human law. He broke the law of gravity. It never obey any human laws. It breaks the law of the gravity. It means it won't be sit on the earth. It always in the stage of floating. Okay, law. It power of levation. Levation means it's power of flying on the air. That is a levation. Okay. Could make the fakir stare. Even the sane people, they have the naturally they have a power to float on the air. That is the holy person. For them we will call as a fakir. முனிவர்கள்லாம் இருப்பாங்கல்ல, அப்படி காற்றுல மறந்துக்கிட்டே மெடிடேஷன்லாம் பண்ணுவாங்கல்ல, that is a fakir. So when they reach the scene of the crime, McCavity will not be there. When they reach there, McCavity will not be there. So McCavity, a mystery cat, we call the hidden paw. We are calling the McCavity as a hidden paw. For he, the master criminal who can defy the law. How he is a master criminal. Here he had used a metaphor. He is a master criminal. He will defy the law, disobey the law. He is a bafflement of Scotland Yard. So he is creating a confusion to the Scotland Yard. And when they reach the place of the crime where they occur, McCavity will not be there. How the McCavity is? McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He broken every human law. It break all the human law. Even it break the law of gravity, because it won't lie on the earth. It will flow on the air. The power of levation. Have a power of the levation. Even the fakir will stare. The fakir will wonder how this cat is flying on the earth. And when you reach the scene of the crime, McCavity not there. When they reach the place, McCavity will not be there. You may seek him in the basement and you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. McCavity, a ginger cat, he is very tall and thin. You could know him if you saw him, for his eye are stung in. So you may seek him in the basement. We can see in the down. You may look up in the air. We can search in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity not there. There is no use of searching in the earth as well as searching in the air. Definitely McCavity will not be there. McCavity is a ginger cat. It is a brown shape, big cat. That is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. How it is? It is a tall and thin in shape. You could know him if you saw him, for his eyes were stung in. His eyes in the deep. It will think something in the depth. Very depthly it will think something. Okay. So it is a ginger cat, not only brown, it is very cautious and very allotted. It is very alert. Always it is ready to do anything. So such type of cat it is. So you can seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. I will tell you once and once again, McCavity not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. It is very cautious, allotted cat. He is very tall and thin. The size is very tall and it is very thin. And you could know him. You saw him, for his eyes were sunk in. So if you see that the eyes, it is in the deep. It's thinking very deep. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts. Its head is highly doomed. His coat is dusted from the neglect. His whiskers were uncombed. He swings his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and then you think he is half asleep. He always wide awake. So how its brow? Brow means eyebrow. Its eyebrow is deeply lined with thought. Its eyebrow is deeply lined with thought means it's always in the deep thinking. There is a line in his forehead. Head is highly doomed. It means it's always keep his eye like a high. His coat is dusty from neglect. It's always its coat is dusty. His whiskers are uncombed. It was as whiskers not uncombed. Uncombed. He swings his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he was fall asleep, he always wide open. he always it's used to slang his head from side to side with a movement like a snake. The snake will change in the movement like a snake. The snake always will move here and there, zigzag. And if we think that it is half asleep, it won't sleep. It's always wide awake and it makes us awake. Okay, it won't sleep. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There is a repetition. Already in the second stanza beginning they had used. Again they are using the term Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. For he is a feign and a feline shape, a monster of the depredative. So he is a feign, it means it's a demon. And feline means cat. It's a very big shaped cat, and the monster of the depredative means it has all the evil qualities. You may meet him by street, you may see him in a square, but when the crime discovered, that Macavity not there. So you can see the demon in the road, in the street, even see in the square, in the place. But when the crime was discovered, Macavity will not be there. He is outwardly respectable. By seeing appearance of the cat, it is very respectable. They say he cheats at cards. And the footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland Yard. And then the ladder looted or the jewel case ruffled, or when the milk is missing, the another pecky being shuffled. So another dog may be shuffled, or any food storage. That is ladder food storage may be looted, or the jewel case are scattered. Even the Macavity will not be. Milk is missing, another pecky being shuffled means another they will come and say this is the incident which is happened by them, but who did the real crime, that is a Macavity. But when the crime discovered, Macavity will not be there. On the greenhouse glass is broken, the trellis past repair. Trellis means the wooden frame which will help us to grow the plants, that is a trellis. Okay, it's a frame, wooden frame with the help செடியெல்லாம் கொடியெல்லாம் படறதுக்காக வைப்போம்ல, that is a trellis. Okay, the greenhouse, when the greenhouse glass is broken, trellis past repair, or there is the wonder of the thing, Macavity not there, and the foreign officer find the treaty gone astray, or the Admiralty lost some plans or drawing by the way. There may be the scrap of papers in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate, Macavity not there. And when the loss has been discovered, the Secret Service says it must have been Macavity, not he is a mile, but he is mile away. So when there is a document or the treaty was missed, or it was astrayed, it was burned, or something happened to that, some plan may go wrong, or the drawing may, then the scrap of papers they may found it on the stair or in the wall, in the hall. It is very useless to investigate, because this is a crime which is happened did by Macavity. They all known very well. If you go there, definitely there won't be any evidence, and also the Macavity will not be there. So it is very useless to investigate. Before that, it will go mile away. You will be sure to find him resting, or licking his thumb, or engaging in doing complicated long division sums. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and the scavity. So here is even it will sit there and lick his thumb. It's cleaning the animals. You might have seen the animals always they will lick their body. It means they are cleaning their body. At the time also it won't be free. It will be doing some long sums. It means it is thinking about something. It will solving some problems. And how it is deceitfulness and the savage. It means it is cunning. It is very cunningly and confidently it is thinking to do some thing. There never was a cat of such cunning and savagety. No cat will be like the quality of the Macavity, because Macavity is very cunning and cautious. He always have an alibi we have to say, and one or the two to spare. At whatever time the deed took place, Macavity wasn't there, and they say that all the cat whose wicked deeds were widely known. It might be mentioned Mongogery, or it mentioned the Griddlebone, or anything more than the agent for the cat, who all the time just to control the operation, the Napoleon of the crime. So he always has we should not read alibi, it is alibi. 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 So it always have alibi. Alibi means the person who will accept the fault in case of other. அடுத்தவங்க செஞ்ச தப்புக்கு இல்லை நான் தான் செஞ்சேன் அப்படின்னு ஒத்துப்போம்ல, அதுதான் alibi. So he always has an alibi or one or two to spare. Some people before the crime investigated, before the crime come to know, some will go and say that is a crime which is done by ourselves. They themselves will accept even though they had not. So such peoples are there. Like at any whatever time the deed took place, McCavity was not there. So whatever time may be, the McCavity will not be there. And then says that all the cat who wicked deed are widely known. All they known, widely be known. The deed means the action what it is doing. It might be mentioned. It might be the Mongojery or it might be the riddle groan. This is a imaginary characters used in Eliot's poem. Okay. And another more than the agent of the cat who all the time just to control the operation. The McCavity, it will control all the operation. It is mentioned that as a Napoleon of crime. It had given the name because all the things which is doing, the name, the title he got is a Napoleon of crime. Okay, let me read this and it is very easy one. See. McCavity, a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of the Scotland Yard flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of the crime, McCavity is not there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of elevation could make the fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of the crime, McCavity not there. You may seek him in the basement or you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity not there. McCavity, a ginger cat, he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunk in. His brow is deeply lined with a thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusted from the neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He swings his head from side to side with movement like a snake. And when you think he is fall asleep, he always wide awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, for he is a faint and the feline shaped monster of the depraved. You may meet him in the by street or you may see him in a square, but when the crime discovered, then McCavity not there. He is awkwardly respectable and his footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland. And then the ladder looted or the jewel case rifled, or when the milk is missing or the other pecky being shuffled, or the greenhouse glass is broken or the tries past repair or their wonder of the thing, McCavity not there. And when the foreign office find the treaty gone astray or the admiralty lost some plans or the drawing by the way, there may be the scrap of papers in the hall or in the stair, but it is useless to investigate. McCavity not there. When the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service says it might be McCavity, but he miles ago. You will be sure to find him licking off his thumb or engaging in doing complicated long sum divisions. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and the suavity. He always has an alibi on one or two to spare, and whatever time the deal took place, McCavity was in there. And they say that all the cat who wicked deeds are widely known. It might be mentioned Mongojery or it might be mentioned the griddle bone, or nothing more than the agent for the cat who all time just to control their operation, that is a Napoleon of crime. So the first stanza is that it is a mystery cat and it is called a hidden paw and it is a master criminal. Okay, it disobey the law. Then it is a bafflement, it's creating the great confusion of the Scotland Yard, Scotland polices, and even if you reach the place of the crime, McCavity will not be there. And the second stanza, the McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, because McCavity is it's broken every human law, as well as it would disobey the law, it break the law of gravity also, and it's a power of elevation. Even it has a power of floating on the air. Even the fakir, they will wonder to see. And when we reach the crime of the scene of the crime, McCavity will not be there. And the third, you can see it in the basement, or you can see it in the air. But once again, McCavity will not be there. So McCavity is what type of cat it is? Is a ginger cat. Ginger cat means it is very alert and cautious. The cat, it is brown in color, and it is very tall and thin. The size is very tall, and it is very thin. We could know him if you if you saw him. Its eyes are sunk, deep, and its eyebrow was lined, its forehead was lined, because it is thinking very deeply, and it is very dusty, and it is uncombed, its whiskers are uncombed, but it will shake his head here and there like a snake movement. Okay, then if you think that is half asleep, if you go and see, it's always wide awakened. And McCavity, no one is like McCavity. It is a feline shape. It is a faint and the feline. It's like a demon, and it is a demon cat family. Okay, cat family, cat shaped, demon in the cat shape, we can say. ஒரு பெரிய அரக்கன் கேட் உருவத்தில் இருக்கிறான் அப்படிங்கிற சொல்கிறது அதோட மீனிங். Okay, and it is have all the deprivative, means it have all the evil qualities. Okay. Then when we can see it in the street, we can normal time we can see it in the street, or we can see it in the public square, means in the public place. When the crime was discovered, McCavity will not be there. Okay, and outwardly if you see that, it is very respectable, but we can't able to find any footprints of the McCavity in any Scotland Yard's file. Okay, there won't any evidence of the crime which is there. Even if the food storage, the ladder is looted, or the greenhouse windows are broken, or some jewel cases are scattered, or some tree was burned, or some paper was scrapped, teared, and it may be flying on the floor, hall, or in the stair, we know very well this is a crime which is done by the McCavity. There is no need to prove any evidence. They know very well, the Scotland, they may discovered, they know already, they know, but there is no evidence, and the McCavity will not be there. Before the discovery of the crime, the McCavity will go miles away. And even during the resting time, while it's licking its paw and all, at the time also it will thinking that it will doing some unsolved sums, long divisions of sum. They all used to have a very big plan, and even it will have some alibis will be there for the McCavity for the crime. Even it will control all the operations which is happening among the cat. That's why it gained the name the Napoleon of crime. I hope you had understand. It is very easy poem and a very interesting poem about the cat. You read this, and the figure of speech of this poem we will discuss this in the next class. Okay, thank you my dear.